Diamonds, it has finally arrived. I've been waiting for this moment for a couple weeks now, but I'm excited to say that my Impressions Vanity has finally arrived, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and unbox it and set it up. Alright, first off, Diamonds, this box was way heavier than I thought it was gonna be, way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So shout out to my UPS man for helping me get it up the stairs. Here's looking at you, kid. So the first box that I pulled out was just a box of lighting. When I tell you this thing is packed pretty good, it's packed great. I was kind of worried seeing that it's shipped ground that the mirror might be broken, light bulbs might be broken, but as you see throughout the video, everything was pretty secure. I had no issues at all. It lit right up like a charm. And Diamonds, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe before you leave. Off camera, I put the base on. It was pretty easy. It was just 4 screws. Now I'm putting in the light bulbs. You'll notice that I am wearing gloves because I don't want the oils from my hands to transfer to the light bulbs, which I've heard can cause heat and even cause them to pop. So just to be safe, I decided to put those on. You guys, my daughter is filming this, as you can see in the mirror. Here's a closer look at the bulbs. Now, I must say, at first I wasn't vibing with the yellow filaments showing, but they kind of grown on me. They're not that bad. The other side of the vanity does have a plug and 2 USB ports, which is awesome. And the opposite side has the on and off switch and also the dimmer as well. All right, Diamonds, and this is her all lit up. I love that she has a dimmer. I'm digging the USB ports. I don't have to scurry looking for a charger. It was well worth the wait. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, diamonds.